In this video, we'll go through exam questions that cover the criteria recognize and continue linear sequences of numbers up to 100. You can locate the questions on the mathsmaths.com website under entry 3. The questions come from different exam boards. We'll start with the non-calculated questions and then we'll move to the calculated questions. Here is the first question. What is the next number in this sequence? We've got 23, 42, 61, 80. So what comes after 80? In order to determine that, we're going to look at what are we going by each time. So to get from 23 to 42, what are we adding? So we will do 42 take away 23. So we need to take away 3 from the 2, which means we've got to borrow 1 from the 4. So this becomes 12. 12 take away 3 is 9. 3 take away 2 is 1. So we add in 19. What will we do with this one as well? Add in 19. Add in 19. Add in 19. So I could add 20 and take away 1. That would be the same as adding 19. So 80 and 20, that is 100. Take away 1, that would be 99. So if you want to check, you can reverse this. 99, take away 80, does that give us 19? 9 take away 0 is 9. 9 take away 8 is 1. So we've done it correctly. Now we move into the calculated questions. Bread buys packs of card. These are the numbers of sheets of card in different packs. 12, 24, 36. The numbers of sheets follow a pattern. Bread wants to buy the pack with the next largest number of sheets. What is the number of sheets in the pack Bread buys? Show your answer here. So what this is asking is, what is that next number? And to decide, we will look at what are we going up into from 12 to 24. And now we can use a calculator. So all we do is 24 take away 12. So 24 take away 12 gives us 12. So we are adding 12. This should be the same at 12, and this should be the same. But let's just double check. So if you do 36 take away 24 gives us 12. So we are on the right track. So 36 now, add 12 to find the next number, and that's 48. Mina looks at the seed numbers on the end of each row. The numbers go up in sequence. So to go up in sequence, that means to go up by the same amount each time. What will the next two numbers be? So we've got 24, 36, 48, and we need to find the next two numbers. So this is exactly like the one we've just seen. 24, 36, so the next one will be 48. Yes? And then what's the next one? So we add in 12 each time. So 48 add 12 gives us 60. 60 add 12 gives us 72. Of course, we knew that we needed to add 12 because of the previous question, but if we didn't, then we'd start from scratch and go 36 take away 24, or 48 take away 36, and find out what you add in each time. Alex can book different amounts of time on a computer. The times go up in sequence. What is the next number? So we've got 45 minutes, 60 minutes, 75 minutes, and then we'll need to find the next number. So if we do 60, take away 45, that tells us that we add in 15. Are we adding 15 here as well? So 60 add 15 gives us 75. So now 75 add 15 gives us 90, which is the next number. What is the next number in this sequence? Let's find out. So 47 take away 28 gives us 19. So we add in 19. 66 take away 47 gives us 19. So we add in 19 each time. Now 66 add 19 gives us 85. What is the next number in this sequence? So 38 take away 19 gives us 19. 57 take away 38 gives us 19. So we'll add 19 to 57 as well to find the next number. And that is 76. What is the next number in this sequence? We've got 42, 57, 72, 87, and we need to find the next number. So we'll do 57, take away 42, and that gives us 15. So we add in 15 to 42 to get 57. So let's add 15 to 57 now to see whether that gives us 72, and it does. So I'll do now 87 add 15 and it gives us 102. Complete the sequence of numbers below. So what are we adding to 9 to get 18? 18 take away 9 gives us 9. 9 add 18, does that give us 27? It does. So this is the 9s times tables basically. So the next number is 36. Adding 9 to 36 gives us 45. Adding 9 to 45 gives us 54. Adding 9 to 54 gives us 63. And adding 9 to 63 gives us 72. You can also see how the units go down by 1 each time. And the tens go up by 1 each time. So that helps check the answers. And this is the end of the questions.